is going to try another trick here. Crushing the pipe didn't end up working. It won't allow enough ground clearance. So since he already wasted that bit of pipe, he's using it kind of as a scrap here to mock up another possible solution to clearing that cross member. You can see he's trying to do two real tight bends together to clear the cross member, and he's put that piece of plywood in there to protect the edge of the pipe. As part of this sample piece that Dave's doing here, he's cut the piece of pipe really short in order to get the bend occurring real fast there before it gets to the cross member. So he had to straighten out the end of it a little bit to see if it would fit with the header. So Dave had that piece that he mocked up. He liked the way it looked, and now he's going to reproduce it with a full-length piece of pipe. You don't want to just cut in little pieces of pipe into there. It takes more time and it doesn't look so good. So now he's making the full-length pipe for the left-hand side.